Hong Kong of a second wave of coronavirus.
First death from coronavirus here in the United States.
The coronavirus is a highly contagious disease. Allow me to take you on a journey which encompasses both the macro and the micro world. Viruses. They literally rule over our planet in somewhat of an omnipresence, and have a similar dictatorship over our bodies as well. Oh no, looks like our virus spotted a cell. It can only get into it, however, if the cell has appropriate receptors, which in this case it does. Being the SARS-CoV-2 virus, it finds its receptor in the form of a protein called ACE2, attaches to it, and begins entering the cell. From that point on, it's only a matter of hijacking the central dogma, which is the process by which our cells convert DNA into protein and manipulating it to reproduce the virus's own genetic material. And voila! Our hijacker friend has claimed its first victim. Let's admit it. Isn't that how we all think about viruses? As indiscriminate killing machines? Well, maybe there's more to viruses than meets the eye. Currently, I'm standing beside a freshwater environment. 24 kilometers south of me is an oceanic environment, which shares 49 virus families with the freshwater environment. One of these is 𝗃𝗶𝗃𝗍𝗃. A particular genus in this family is known to cause stomach problems in dogs. These viruses have formed such an antagonistic relationship with dogs that nowadays the DNA of every dog contains some 𝗃𝗃virus DNA. Wait, what? Yeah. Even for us, if that represents the human genome, then 8% of that is not actually our DNA, it's virus DNA. The field of paleovirology has emerged from this very concept. Suppose there are two animal species, X and Y, both of which have the DNA of virus A in their genome. Therefore, virus A must be at least as old as the common ancestor of X and Y. This ideology even points to the roots of evolution itself. Mind expanding, isn't it? The marine environment also shares nearly 40 virus families with the sewage environment, and a further 27 with the soil environment, both of which even share 16 families with each other. In the soil, we find the bacteriophages, which have revolutionized our perspective on viruses. At the Weizmann Institute of Science, they were discovered communicating with each other. Their language, called quorum sensing, entailed the release of amino acid chains called arbitrium. The closer they were, the more likely they were to bump into each other's arbitriums and convey their message. Now, how do you think of viruses? As indiscriminate killing machines? No, for they can communicate and exist in such an intricate system. For their network is an artwork of nature, which we have no right to just graffiti on. For they hold the key to decoding our past, understanding the present, and demystifying a better, brilliant, and more promising future.